Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you new Instagram feature called Blend feature in the Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. Okay, and I'm going to open up one of the room chats here. Okay, I'm going to open this room chat. So this is my room chat with my second Instagram account. And if we want to activate the Blend feature, we can click on this icon, guys. If you already got this feature, you will get it right here, shown by this icon. And I'm going to click on this blend. Okay, and I'm going to invite this account to a blend. I'm going to click on invite. All right, and now the invitation has been sent. And then I'm going to move to my second Instagram account and I'm going to accept the blend feature. Okay, I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages and I'm going to open this invitation. Okay, and we just need to click on go to blend. Okay, and you can read the description here. We can see each other's suggested reels, new reels based on the chat, and then invite only. Each blend is unique to the people who join. Okay, and I'm going to click on join. Okay, now it's done and the blend has been created for me and also for my second Instagram account. Okay, and this is for the suggested for me and my second Instagram account. Okay, if you want to visit the blend, you just need to go to this menu. Okay, and these are the reels from the suggestion. Okay, and then guys, if you want to leave the blend, you just need to click on the setting icon here, and then you can click on leave this blend if you want to leave the blend you have created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use blend feature on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.